Is your ISX overheating, low oil pressure, or an unusual noise coming from your engine? You may be in need of an oil pump replacement in your Cummins ISX. Minimize downtime and negative impacts to your revenue. Install this new oil pump assembly for your Cummins ISX from Highway and Heavy Parts. An oil pump is critical to the mechanics of your ISX. Without proper oil circulation, the moving parts of your engine cannot work properly. That's why oil pump failure is such a big deal. At Highway and Heavy Parts, you'll get a new oil pump manufactured with an aluminum housing and built to OEM specifications for proper fit in your ISX. This oil pump helps reduce wear to vital engine components such as bearings, pistons, piston rings, cylinder liners, and the valve train, protecting your investment under the hood. After being manufactured, our oil pumps are tested with state-of-the-art equipment to be sure they function correctly, so you can rest assured your oil pump will continue to perform when installed in your Cummins ISX. And don't forget to check out Highway and Heavy Parts' selection of lubrication system parts for your diesel engine. Backed by a 2-year parts and labor warranty and industry-leading service from our ASE Certified Technicians. Connect with Highway and Heavy Parts for industry-leading technical knowledge, quality diesel parts, and fast shipping. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts, America's trusted diesel engine part supplier.